Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drain spade is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any homeowner or gardener looking to tackle stubborn clogs and improve their outdoor drainage systems with unparalleled efficiency and ease, making it a must-have for maintaining a pristine and functional yard. Number 5. Kemaier Heavy-Duty Gardening Hand Trowel. Introducing the Kemaier Heavy-Duty Gardening Hand Trowel. It's engineered for professionals who demand more from their tools. Crafted from premium 65 manganese steel, this tool is precision smoothed and heat-treated. It's designed to stand up to daily heavy use and demanding jobs. Its sharp V-shaped blade glides through soil with ease, making quick work of hard clay, rocky patches, and thick weeds. It holds its sharpness for a long time and is easily resharpened. The handle and blade are seamlessly hand-welded into one piece. These reinforced joints are rock-solid and built to last, ensuring it won't snap under pressure. Get solid quality at a fair price. This trowel is made to hold up through all your regular digging, planting, and weeding work, staying dependable for many seasons. Purpose-built for enthusiastic home gardeners and professional landscapers, this heavy-duty companion helps you complete even the most demanding landscaping tasks smoothly and efficiently. What we like. This one is built like a tank, with a seamless, hand-welded carbon steel construction that's heat-treated for extreme durability. If you're a professional landscaper or a serious home gardener who tackles tough clay and rocky soil regularly, this is the tool that won't let you down. Its sharp, resharpenable blade ensures it's ready for season after season of demanding work. What people say. This drain spade is very sturdy and well-made. It has a sharp edge that cuts through soil easily. The long handle provides good leverage, making it easier to dig deep holes. The ergonomic grip is comfortable to use. It's perfect for creating drainage trenches in the garden. The pointed tip allows for precise digging. Number 4. WIKER Spade Shovel, Heavy-Duty Fiberglass Handle. Introducing a revolutionary shovel designed for precision. Its slender head allows for minimal disruption, making planting and transplanting a breeze. Crafted from high-strength manganese steel with a triple anti-corrosion coating, this tool is built for durability. The fiberglass handle offers superior strength and resilience against the elements. From sticky clay to rocky ground, this sharp and strong shovel cuts through it all. It's perfect for digging out plants with their complete root systems or creating trenches. Ideal for digging holes for posts, pipelines, or removing stubborn weeds and shrubs. This shovel makes even the most demanding excavation work feel manageable. Experience the perfect balance of lightweight design and sturdy construction. Plus, with WIKER's lifetime warranty, you can dig with confidence. What we like. This tool features a narrow blade perfect for precise planting and trenching without disturbing surrounding areas. Its fiberglass handle is lightweight yet incredibly strong and weather-resistant, unlike traditional wood. If you need to dig deep next to plants to get the full root system for transplanting, or if you're looking for a durable, low-maintenance option that won't rust, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This drain spade is very effective at digging trenches for drainage. The sharp edge of the spade makes it easy to cut through soil and roots. It is well constructed and durable, designed for heavy-duty use. Number 3. Root Slayer 22911XL Drain Spade. Introducing the Root Slayer 22911XL Drain Spade, your ultimate tool for efficient trenching and landscaping. Its specialized design makes tough jobs feel effortless. This tool features a long, narrow blade perfect for digging trenches, cleaning ditches, and working in confined areas. It outperforms wider shovels where space is limited. Equipped with an inverted V cutting tip and serrated edge, it easily penetrates compact soil and slices through stubborn roots. This makes trenching and root removal significantly more efficient. Built with a heavy-duty, powder-coated carbon steel blade, it's designed for durability and corrosion resistance. Tackle demanding digging tasks in your garden and landscaping projects with confidence. The reinforced fiberglass shaft provides exceptional strength and leverage. Its non-latex grip ensures stability and improved control for a better digging experience. With a long blade and overall length, this spade offers superior soil penetration and reach. It's ideal for deep trenching and drainage projects, helping you get the job done right. What we like. With its unique inverted V cutting tip and aggressive serrated edge, this tool is designed to slice through compacted soil and stubborn roots with ease. The long, narrow blade is ideal for trenching, drainage work, and installing irrigation lines in tight spaces. If your projects involve extensive trenching or dealing with thick root systems, this offers superior penetration and efficiency. What people say. The Drain Spade is very sturdy and well made. It has a sharp edge that cuts through soil easily. I love how the long handle gives me extra leverage, making it easier to dig deep into the ground. The pointed tip is perfect for breaking up compacted soil and removing stubborn roots. Number 2. Garrett All-Terrain Dig Pouch, Edge Digger, Razor Relic Bundle. Meet the Garrett Edge Digger, designed for challenging environments. Its strong carbon steel blade features cutting-edge teeth for efficient digging. This tool comes with a non-slip blade guard and a comfortable rubber handle, ensuring safety and ease of use during your expeditions. With a 7.5-inch digging blade and a 12-inch total length, it offers the ideal balance of reach and maneuverability for any digging task. The Garrett All-Terrain Dig Pouch is equipped with mesh drain screens, allowing you to easily sift water or dirt from your discoveries. Its rugged construction and extended belt ensure a comfortable fit for all sizes. It also includes a pro-pointer holster and multiple zippered pockets for secure storage. The Garrett Razor Relic shovel boasts a robust steel blade and a T-handle, providing powerful digging capabilities for serious relic hunters. What we like. This bundle offers a compact and robust digging tool with a sharp carbon steel blade and a comfortable, non-slip rubber handle. It's perfect for metal detecting enthusiasts or anyone needing a portable, effective digging solution for smaller tasks. If you value convenience, portability, and having an integrated pouch for your finds and accessories, this is the ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. What people say. The Drain Spade is very sharp and cuts through roots easily. It is made of high-quality steel and feels very durable. The long handle provides excellent leverage, making digging much easier. Number 1. Ashman 48-inch D-handle Drain Spade Shovel. Meet your new essential gardening companion. This heavy-duty spade is perfect for various tasks, from landscaping to digging trenches, even in tight spaces. Experience enhanced efficiency with its D-handle grip. It provides a firm, comfortable hold for two-handed control, multiplying your force with ease. Crafted with premium quality materials, this tool features a hardened blade and a durable handle that resists temperature changes. It's designed to last for years of regular use. The finely sharpened blade effortlessly penetrates tough soil and cuts through roots. Its ergonomic design allows for strong force application, making digging and transplanting simple. Work with confidence knowing the sharp blades can cut roots and uproot plants without harming surrounding vegetation. It ensures precise work around delicate root systems. Ashman is committed to using only the highest quality materials and expert manufacturing. We aim to exceed industry standards and provide exceptional lawn and garden products. What we like. This tool boasts a thick, hardened metal blade and a comfortable D-handle grip for excellent leverage and control, making tough digging tasks more efficient. The durable handle is designed to resist temperature transfer, allowing for comfortable use in various weather conditions. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose spade for general gardening, landscaping, or ditch cleaning that offers a solid grip and long-term durability, this is a great option. What people say. The Drain Spade is designed to dig trenches for drainage systems. Its sharp, pointed tip easily cuts through soil and roots. The long handle provides leverage for digging deep holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.